This is a brief tutorial of the Canon Rebel T3i. This is just going to be a video demonstrating how to use it. First, insert a battery into the camera. To do so, lift the battery hatch located on the bottom of the camera, and then insert the battery. Next, you need to insert an SD card into the camera. To do so, simply go to the SD card slot located above the battery compartment on the right side of the camera and pull back the hatch and insert the SD card. Next, you're going to want to turn on the camera. To do so, simply turn the on and off switch to on the top of the camera and flip out the display screen, like so. So now before you proceed, you're going to want to format the card so that your video can be recorded to your camera. So to do so, you want to press the media button right here. Go over to format under the settings tab, the first one. So it's got a little white wrench and a yellow background. Go down to format, hit set over here. Go over to OK using the arrows next to set. Press OK again. Wait, and it's formatted. So now you're going to want to take the lens cap off, and you want to set your camera to the green auto setting or scene intelligent auto. To do that, you want to line up this white little crosshair with the green button right here, the green A. It's just a knob, so twist it around. So here it is. And this will allow you to use the Canon camera as a point-and-shoot camera. So to take a photo with the camera, you're going to want to press the shutter button located on the top of the camera on the front. It's very typical for a camera. It's very, you'll know where it is. Press it. Flash might pop up. Press it again. Take a photo. Push down the flash. To focus with the camera, you're going to want to use the outer ring located on the lens, and you're going to adjust that until the object in your image is in focus or out of focus if that's what you want. And to zoom in and out, you use the bigger ring on the lens. Counterclockwise zooms in and clockwise zooms out. So to look at pictures that you've taken on this camera, simply press the picture button, which is this blue button located right here. It's got a triangle in the center of it, and it's surrounded by a box. And here you can see a picture that I took earlier in this video. Now you don't want to delete any of the pictures on the device until you've successfully transferred them over to your computer or another hard drive. This concludes the tutorial on the Canon Rebel T3i.